What's up guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. So today is Saturday and we just woke up and we're gonna get ready to flip this house upside down is what I'm calling today's operation. I am so motivated to clean literally every corner and speck of the house because tomorrow we have Eric's family coming over for our white elephant gift exchange. Tuesday, my sister flies in. She's gonna be with me for almost a week. And then Wednesday, we have my cousin's Christmas get together. And then Thursday, we have all of our families get together. So they're all coming here on Thursday. Wednesday, all my cousins are coming. So it's like hosting after hosting after hosting. And I just want the space to be spotless. I know there's no such thing. I think I might have a little bit too high expectation for this cleaning day because I told Eric I want to get into every single little closet, cabinet. Like I want everything to be spotless. So I know it might not be doable because, you know, it's just one day. I feel like deep cleaning can take days after days. So I'm just setting my expectations high, but I won't be disappointed if we don't get to everything. So I wanted to bring you guys along our deep cleaning routine, cleaning our literal entire house. But first, we already know what's on the agenda. I need some coffee. So I'm gonna make some coffee and then we're gonna get started in the guest room. Okay, now we can start. I have my coffee. You want one? You want me to make you a cortadito? Okay. I'm gonna make Erica coffee and then we'll start. It's not a cleaning day without salsa, merengue, all the Hispanic motivating music. We're starting in the guest room first because we're starting at the top level and then working our way down. And this is the first room, like this is the top level. So this is the first room all the way over. So we're starting here and the plan for here is we're gonna wash all of the comforters, the linens, the blankets. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna dust the entire room, change out these curtains. We're gonna organize this closet. It's not that much of a mess. Well, actually, yes, it is. We need a better organization system. So we're gonna organize this closet. I need to move all this clothes over to my closet because this is all my clothes. We're gonna move this mini dresser thing into here, like the cabinets. Change out the mirror, unbox the mirror, put that there, and just reorganize basically. So we're gonna start with this room first. Guest room is nice and clean. I'm just waiting for the sheets to be ready so I can replace that. And I put up this little corner here. I got this mirror from Amazon and then I put this greenery that I picked up from our friend's wedding last night and I just put it into this clear vase. The biggest thing that took the most time was probably the closet because we were trying to figure out how to organize it best and I think we figured it out. So we stacked all of the pillows that we had on this side. We moved this little dresser in here and then we put the two inflatable beds up there. We also replaced the curtains in here so they're nice and long now. They make the room look so elegant. It's really interesting because I feel like this area of the room looks so modern, like with the mirror and the greenery, but then this area is so earthy. But I like playing around with styles, so I like it so far. And yeah, we're all done. We dusted, we cleaned all the baseboards, we cleaned the walls, took off any stains, and we also vacuumed. So this room is complete and done. Now I'm gonna move on to this area. It's probably the easiest to clean because there's really not much in here. We just put the powder, vacuum, put all this clothes away because we tend to use this rail for when we wash our clothes, we hang dry them there. But yeah, we just have to put this stuff away. The linen closet is pretty clean too, like organized, so we're just gonna leave that there like that. I'm gonna move on to the bathroom while Eric cleans this space here. So this is the guest bath right next to the guest room. Basically in here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deep clean the tub, even though we barely use this tub, but I'm gonna deep clean it. Deep clean the tiles, dust everything, clean the toilet, dust here, clean the mirror. I'm gonna put this eucalyptus up in the shower, and then I'm gonna vacuum, clean all the baseboards, and then I'm gonna mop in here. So let's get to it. So guest bathroom is complete. I cleaned every space in here, every little crevice. I don't have any more rubber bands to put up the eucalyptus, so I'm gonna have to pick some up later to put it up there. And Eric hung up these two frames. These are the frames we used to have in the living room downstairs, but we just moved them up here because we felt it fit better in this space. So we put those up, and I also cleaned the office closet. It was a disaster. Like, I couldn't even walk in there, but I'm going to show you guys how it looks now. So this is the office, and this closet was a disaster, but now I have a ton of floor space, and I organized it as best as I could. I got rid of so many like unnecessary papers that we had. I kind of organized my bags and my hats and stuff. So this is done. I also vacuumed in here, dusted everywhere, vacuumed, and the office is pretty much clean. While I cleaned in here, Eric cleaned our room. So room is done too. We just have to put away these blankets. We also have to wash all this stuff and put it back on the bed. I just have to put that away too. But he vacuumed, dusted, and we also cleaned the closet because the closet was also a mess. So now we have a ton of floor space in here. Everything's nice and vacuumed. Everything is organized-ish. And thankfully Eric cleaned our bathroom like a few days ago, so that's all done. So basically the entire floor is all done, and it took us 4 hours to clean. Both Eric and I were up here. We were kind of dividing the work because it's just too much for one person. So we work together as a team, and so I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna have some food because I have not eaten at all. I've kind of been snacking while I was cleaning. I had like a blueberry muffin, a protein bar, a banana, but I am hungry. So Eric's gonna go grab us some food. I'm gonna take a break to edit today's Vlogmas that you guys are gonna see today, Saturday. And yeah, that's basically our cleaning. I think I'm gonna continue to clean throughout the evening until we go to my brother's later tonight because we're going to watch the Jake Paul fight. So I will catch you guys once I have my lunch and I'm a little bit less hangry. So cleaning day has come to an end. We were only able to clean the top level and a little bit of the middle level. I knew I set my expectations too high, not because Eric and I don't clean well enough or don't do enough, but because it's too much. The way that we clean, we're so like detail oriented, and if we see like any little speck, like we have to make sure that the space is entirely spotless. So it takes us forever to clean basically. So we were only able to do the top level, but it's totally fine. we took a break, we had lunch, and then we did what we could in the middle level, which was only a bathroom and one of the living rooms. So that basically concludes cleaning day, but we're gonna go to my brother's house to watch a fight, the Jake Paul fight, because today is Saturday night. So I think I'm gonna pick up some drinks, some snacks, and we're gonna have a fun night with my brother and some friends. Here's my complete outfit. It's really cozy. I'm wearing these sweats. I'm living in sweats this weekend because Aunt Flo is here, so I need to give my girl some room. So I'm wearing sweatpants, Air Forces. I'm wearing this jacket, this like plaid jacket from H&M, and this muscle tank from Zara, and my New York hat. So we're off. I'm taking my bigger bag. I'm not taking like a smaller bag because I'm actually taking my laptop and my iPad, because whenever we have fight nights with friends, I take my bag because I like to work. Because, well, I don't like to work, but it's my way of like hiding behind the laptop, because sometimes the fights can get so gruesome that I like need a distraction. So I always take my laptop and my iPad. But yeah, we're off to watch the fight.
Yo, she's nice. She's good. She's really good. I know what's going on.
I'm gonna try again.
Oh my gosh.
This is so
yeah,
good.
Right? They're good, right?
Yeah, these are good.
They're good, right?
These are better than street food.
So what are your thoughts on that tremendous knockout from Jake Paul?
What a shame.
So we just finished watching the fight, and it was pretty wild. Tyron Woodley got knocked out, and we were rooting for him. But we're about to drive through my brother's neighborhood because his neighbors are lit. Literally. Their front yards are just like a dream. But we're gonna drive through because I want to see their Christmas lights. The few times that we've been here this month, we always drive through this little part of the neighborhood because it's just so cute. It's up there to the left, honey. At the stop, you're gonna make a left. My favorite part about this house is the porch setup. They have a whole Christmas tree on their porch. This is so cute. Wait, I need to zoom in because I need to see the details. Okay, so you have a Christmas tree, a Santa, a reindeer. They have 2 Christmas trees. Okay, this house, what does that say in the front? Believe. My favorite one was the one on the corner, and then they kind of just get like simpler and simpler, but it's really nice. I wish we had this much Christmas spirit. It really does get simpler and simpler. Look at the last one. And then the rest of the neighbors don't really have lights. Oh, that's cute. So that practically wraps up our day. We're on our way home now, and we're just gonna knock out when we get home. It's 1 a.m. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.